guys, I'm Abira and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching guys. Hope you guys are doing well. From the thumbnail you already know this. Today's video is about a monochrome look and this is the look. And I have achieved this look using only 5 products. Yes. So if you really want to know that which products I have used and how I have achieved this look, so please keep on watching. Right now you can see me without any makeup, so now I'm going to start my makeup procedure and the first product is going to be a concealer. I'm going to use MAC Studio Finish Concealer in shade NC40. You can really see I have a huge dark circle problem. My eyelids are also dark. I have dark spots, pimple spots on my face. My mouth area is also dark. So I really have to use a concealer to hide those things. So now what I'm going to do is using my ring finger and take this product and going to dab under my eye. I'm not blending it. You can see that I'm gently dabbing it on my under eye. Both my under eye. Also applying this on my eyelids. I'm going to use it on my pimple spots, on my dark spots. I'm going to use it on my mouth area as well. Again, I'm gently dabbing it. The concealing part is done. Now I'm going to use a lipstick. Here I'm going to use Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Liquid Lip Color in shade Wine and Dine. This is a very nice and beautiful color. So it's your choice that which part you want to do first. You want to apply your lipstick first or you want to do your eye makeup first. Here I have chosen to apply lipstick first. Lipstick application is done. Now I'm using this lipstick as my contouring product. You have to decide the shade. And then you have to use a brush to blend it properly. My contouring part is done. Now I'm going to use the same lipstick as my blush. I'm blending this product using my fingers. It's a very nice texture, so you do not need extra effort to blend it. It blends so nicely. So it's done. Now my eyeshadow part. So now I have to prep my eye for applying eyeshadow. What I have to do is I have to settle my concealer with a compact, and for that purpose I'm first again dabbing it properly. You can see there was crease because of the concealer, because the concealer had a creamy texture, so there was a crease. So to settle that I'm using compact. Here I'm going to use MAC Studio Fix Compact Powder in shade NC41 on my eyelid. Also under my eyes I'm applying. Then I'm going to use the same lipstick as my eyeshadow. Now you may think that this is a lipstick and it will crease, but I can assure you it will not crease. Its texture is not creamy, it's a matte finish, so it will not crease on your eyelid. So I'm applying this on my eyelid. I'm using the same product on my lower lash line as well. next part is applying a mascara. This one is my favorite part. Here I'm going to use Maybelline New York Colossal Big Shot Volume Express Mascara. And I'm going to apply that on my eyelashes. So when you apply a mascara, it really makes your eyes like bigger and more opened. I'm applying on my lower lash lines as well. I'm using this mascara to set my eyebrows. So this is my trick. So you can, if you use one product for multiple purposes, it actually helps to reduce the overall product usage. So that is why I'm using one product for multiple use. So now the last part, it's applying your highlighter. I'm going to use Lakme Absolute Kareena Kapoor Khan Cheek Contour in shade Rose Gold. But actually it can be used as a beautiful highlighter. So I'm going to use this product. It's such a beautiful color. I'm applying on my cheekbone. It blends, such a creamy texture, it blends so well. Do not need any extra effort. I'm using it on my forehead, on my chin area as well. You gently blend it using your fingers. I'm applying a little bit on my brow bone as well. I'm going to set my overall makeup with a compact. So I'm going to dab it on my forehead. I'm going to dab it on my under eye, my mouth area. Now comes the neck area. I'm going to apply on my neck little bit of concealer so that I can hide these lines, and then I'm going to apply compact on this area as well to settle this thing. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, then please like and share my video. And what kind of look you guys want me to experiment next, please let me know in the comment section below. And also, if you like my videos, then please subscribe to my channel, and after subscription, please do not forget to press the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you do not miss it. So this is it for today's episode, guys. I will meet you in the next episode. Till then, I'm Abira signing off. Bye.